Hello and welcome to our channel, our space for deepening spirituality and self-discovery. Today, we're delving into one of the most overlooked but powerful aspects of yoga, mudras. If you've ever wondered why yogis hold their hands in certain gestures, or how you can use mudras to enhance meditation, energy flow, or overall well-being, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what mudras are but also how to practice them, even as a complete beginner. So grab a comfy seat, relax, and let's journey together into the subtle world of yoga mudras. If you're ready to harness the power of your hands, smash that like button, subscribe for more spiritual growth content, and let's get started. Here's what we'll explore today. First, we'll define mudras and understand their roots and significance. Then, I'll introduce you to 7 essential mudras perfect for beginners, along with clear, step-by-step instructions for each. We'll also discuss how and when to use them, and I'll share research-backed benefits you may not expect. As always, stay to the end for reflection, inspiration, and ways to keep growing your spiritual practice. Let's begin with the basics. What exactly is a mudra? In Sanskrit, mudra means seal or gesture. In yoga and meditation traditions, mudras are symbolic hand positions believed to direct energy flow in the body and mind. They've been practiced for thousands of years, with references in ancient texts like the Hatha Yoga Pradipika and Buddhist sutras. Mudras aren't unique to yoga. They appear in classical Indian dance, meditation traditions, and even religious art across Asia. In Hinduism and Buddhism, deities and enlightened beings are often depicted using specific mudras that represent inner states or qualities. According to the yoga journal and scholar Dr. David Frawley, mudras can profoundly influence consciousness and the balance of subtle energies, or prana, in the body. So, how do they actually work? Mudras use the body's subtle energy channels, called nadis, in yoga to affect physical, emotional, and spiritual health. Mudras aren't just about hands, they're powerful tools for meditation and self-awareness. When practiced with breath work or mantras, mudras can help quiet mental chatter, deepen concentration, and elevate spiritual experiences. Ancient texts teach that mudras create locks that prevent prana, life force, from dissipating, supporting inner transformation. Are mudras really for beginners? Absolutely. One of the most beautiful aspects is their accessibility, no special equipment, flexibility, or prior experience needed. You can practice mudras anywhere, at your desk, on the bus, or during meditation. Their subtlety makes them an ideal entry point for cultivating mindfulness and spiritual energy, even for those new to yoga. According to ancient yogic texts like the Hatha Yoga Pradipika, mudras work by stimulating different parts of the brain and nervous system. Each finger represents one of the 5 elements: thumb, fire; index, air; middle, ether; ring, earth; and little finger, water. By pressing them in specific ways, we can restore harmony within. Unlike complex yoga poses, mudras are simple, accessible, and can be done anywhere, seated, standing, or even lying down. All you need is a few minutes and intention. Now that you know why mudras are so powerful, let's explore 7 beginner-friendly mudras you can start using today. 1. Anjali Mudra, Prayer Seal. Press palms gently together at your heart center, fingers pointing up. This is the classic Namaste gesture. Beyond greeting, Anjali Mudra invites feelings of gratitude, unity, and humility. Lightly bow your head in gratitude. It centers and grounds you, making it a wonderful start or end to any yoga practice, meditation, or even stressful moments at work. It instantly calms the mind and balances left and right brain hemispheres. Gyan Mudra, Mudra of Knowledge. Gently touch the tip of your index finger to the tip of your thumb, keeping the other 3 fingers straight but relaxed. Rest your hands on your knees, palms facing up. Used by meditators worldwide, Gyan Mudra promotes calm, boosts memory, and enhances concentration. Try it for 5 to 15 minutes during meditation or deep breathing. Prana Mudra, Mudra of Life Force. Touch the tips of your ring finger and little finger to your thumb. Keep the index and middle fingers extended. This activates dormant energy, strengthens immunity, and combats fatigue. Prana Mudra is known as the life force gesture, energizing, awakening, and boosting overall vitality. It's said to awaken dormant energy and support the immune system, which is supported by various yoga publications and anecdotal evidence. For Shunya Mudra, Mudra of Emptiness. Bend your middle finger to touch the base of your thumb. Gently press the thumb over the middle finger. Keep other fingers straight and relaxed. It relieves earaches, vertigo, and tinnitus, enhances intuition and spiritual clarity, and balances the ether, space element in the body. Ideal time, 10 to 15 minutes daily, great for meditation. Five, Apana Mudra, Mudra of Digestion. Join the tips of the middle and the ring fingers to the thumb. Keep the index and little fingers extended. This mudra aids detoxification and healthy digestion, regulates blood pressure and menstrual cycles, grounds excess energy, calms anxiety. Ideal time, 15 minutes post-meal or before bed. 6. Linga Mudra, Mudra of heat and energy. Interlock both hands, keeping the left thumb upright. Encircle the upright thumb with the right thumb and index finger. It generates body heat, helping with colds and congestion. Strengthens lungs and immunity. Increases motivation and willpower. Ideal time, 5 to 10 minutes, best in winter or when feeling cold. Caution: avoid overuse if you have acidity or inflammation. Seven. Dhyana Mudra, the gesture of meditation. Place your right hand over your left, palms facing upward, and touch the tips of the thumbs together, creating a bowl or triangle. Rest your hands in your lap. Often seen in meditation statues of the Buddha, Dhyana Mudra is said to bring deep serenity, balance, and insight. Foster profound peace. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and enter meditation. In addition to deepening meditation, balances masculine and feminine energy, activates chakras, reduces stress and anxiety. Ideal duration: beginners, 5 to 10 minutes daily. Advanced, 30 minutes or more. Don't worry if your hands aren't perfectly shaped. What matters most is intention and presence. If you have hand stiffness, you can rest your hands on a pillow or your lap. Can mudras be used outside meditation? Absolutely. If you're feeling stressed, try Anjali Mudra to recenter. Need an energy boost during your afternoon slump? Try Prana Mudra for 5 minutes. These gestures are like spiritual first aid, simple but powerful tools at your fingertips. Pro tips for mudra practice. Set an intention before starting. Breathe deeply while holding mudras to amplify effects. Combine with meditation or pranayama for deeper results. To recap, yoga mudras are simple but deeply profound practices for channeling energy, focusing the mind, and nurturing your spiritual growth. Rooted in ancient wisdom and validated by modern research, mudras offer accessible ways to bring more mindfulness and healing into your daily life. As a beginner, you don't need to master everything at once. Start by choosing 1 or 2 mudras that resonate with your needs right now, whether you seek calm, energy, or connection. The more consistently you practice, the more you'll notice gentle, positive shifts in your mind and spirit. Thank you so much for exploring yoga mudras with me today. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. It helps others discover it too. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our weekly wellness guides. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which mudra resonated most? Drop a comment below, and let's grow together on this journey. Until next time, stay present.